Mommy doesn't like the smell of noodles and food, so she gives me by in the kitchen by the windows open. I just got water and I started eating it. Can I have a pretzel? Can I have a pretzel?
Go ahead.
Yeah. I love pretzels. I really love pretzels.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Claudia. I live in Birmingham in the UK. If you enjoy fashion, lifestyle, fragrance reviews and skincare reviews, I'm your girl. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'm sharing with you how I seasoned my turkey for Christmas. I live with myself and my daughter. I'm a single mom of one. I hope you can relate to my videos and stick around. First of all, I'm just getting some of the feathers from the turkey and just making sure it's fairly cleaned. There's some white vinegar as well in the water. Yeah, just the standard how you would just sort of season your chicken the way I do. It was a bit slightly different this time because it's turkey. It's quite sort of a thick meat in skin. So yeah, I'll share with you what I've used. I've got here all the seasons that I use from dried rosemary, dried mint, garlic and ginger, and also the whole purpose seasoning. And yeah, so we have got some butter here, and I'll be just mixing all together because you want a turkey to be very juicy, don't we? Guys, it turned out beautiful, I have to say. So guys, after mixing everything, I'll put all over the turkey. I created some pockets with the skin, you know, in order for the season to really penetrate. Yeah, so let's watch. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, my friends. The hand very well. Okay, so you're gonna start working in the turkey, so making sure the pockets are deep enough. So guys, you can see here that I don't have the whole turkey, so you just have to work with what you got and it still can be delicious. The skin obviously will be disintegrating slightly, but you can definitely work with it, and I have to say you see at the end how it turned out to be just fantastic, delicious. And yeah, my camera girl is messing around here a little bit, but after that I'm sure we're set to go. So I'll be inserting all this goodness into the skin, and you know, we have got the butter, the dried rosemary, garlic, ginger. I mean, that gonna be in the fridge for 24 hours. And I mean, there's no mistaking. It's very juicy. It's not dried. I mean, just the best turkey, guys, ever.
Don't tell me you're gonna do enough recording tomorrow. looks so tasty. Can't wait to have it tomorrow. Put it in the oven, let it cook. Golden monkey vibes.
Guys, you really have to get in there. I mean, it's a bit messy, but just the way, that's the way to go. I mean, there's no other way around it. You could use some gloves, but my hands are cleaned, sanitized, and it's perfect. It's fine. So guys, my turkey is now seasoned. I poured clean through here. As you can see, it looks like this because of the butter and all the spices and season that I put in there. So whatever is left over here, I'm gonna use tomorrow for my potatoes. And yeah, so it will be sitting for 24 hours and it will be very, very delicious. I mean, it's only myself and my daughter, probably gonna have some guests. And yeah, I look forward to record for you guys tomorrow. And I wish you Merry Christmas, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Guys, here I've got some potatoes that I seasoned with mayo and parsley, and that alone is just gonna be oozing deliciousness, I'm telling you guys. So that will be going in the tray with the turkey. There's bacon there as well to add extra flavor, you know. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you should try this recipe. Even if it's not Christmas, you should try it for your family. They'll love it. So I've got a little bit of olive oil in that tray. And like I said, I've got this mixture. It's potatoes. Actually, they've got the skin in them because turkey, you know, has to stay in the oven for 3 hours. And you don't want your potatoes to go all mushy and stuff. So that's why I kept the skin. But guys, it's so tasty. I never normally eat the skin of potatoes. I'm African, we peel the potatoes all the time. But this time it requires that because of the length of time that the turkey has to stay in the oven. It's been 24 hours. You can imagine how well seasoned this piece of meat is. I mean, you cannot mistake that. I mean, I always suggest for people to season their meat, their food a night before. It tastes so much better. Trust me. So that's everything that is gone in that tray. And guys, the best of the best, okay? Those potatoes seasoned with mayo, like it's just, and it has got some garlic as well. Just amazing. Guys, I placed the foil wrong. It should be the other way around. The shiny bit goes at the bottom and the other matte side that comes at the top, like, you know, the other way around. I realized that later and I fixed it. So take note of that because we were doing wrong. A lot of us were doing wrong. So beautiful people. Oh my god. You guys should be here. The whole house, even the landing in my building smells of my turkey, guys. Absolutely stunning. I mean, to look at. I mean, look at that piece of turkey. And imagine that gravy as well. Just delicious, guys. Just delicious. All of that. Nice. gonna go back for another hour, and that'll conclude my turkey. My loves, all done, all done. Set it up, everything in the kitchen because I want to have this spread so just I can look at it. I've got a pudding that is Portuguese style. I can make that for you guys in the next video or another video. And yeah, guys, and that's how I decorated. And look at the turkey, guys. Oh my god. Then I've got rice here. I made is a, what do you call it, cabbage rice, and I put some olives as well. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. On the road for 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy lifestyle, fashion, beauty and much more, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Delicious.